Here we go, guys. RAO'S 4-cheese pasta. Hi everybody, welcome back to Parks and Pizza. In today's video we're gonna do another RAO'S review. This video is gonna be review of RAO'S 4-cheese pasta sauce. 4 cheeses in RAO'S pasta sauce are Parmesan, Pecorino Romano, Grana Padano, and Asiago cheese. Everything that RAO'S makes is first class, so I can't wait to try the sauce. We're gonna pair the sauce with RAO'S linguine, and since this sauce doesn't have any garlic, we're gonna add some garlic and herb butter to the sauce. And you can never have enough Pecorino Romano cheese, so I'm gonna add a little bit more. I'm very excited about this sauce. Let's make RAO'S 4-cheese pasta. First thing we're going to do, add a little olive oil. Garlic and herb butter. Just mix it. Just mix it in, mix it in, mix it in. Look how the color changes, beautiful. Pecorino Romano. Now we're gonna add the pasta. Just mix it. Just mix the pasta. Just like this. Okay. Beautiful. I'm gonna add more cheese. Mix some more. Alright guys, this was easy and quick. Let's test it out. RAO'S 4-cheese pasta. It's outstanding. It's really, really good. Just like any RAO'S product. Top of the line, great. Tastes amazing. Wow, really, really good. Now you can tin this out. You can use some pasta water, tin the sauce out, or if you like heavier sauces like I do, you can actually use some heavy. You actually use heavy cream. Put some heavy cream into the sauce, and make it even more heavier and creamier. If you guys want to see, let me know in the comments below if you guys want to see me demonstrate how to make the sauce lighter versus how to make sauce heavier and creamier. I'll be more than happy to make a little video about that. This pasta turns out delicious. Another winner by RAO'S. 10 out of 10. RAO'S 4-cheese pasta. Delicious. Go out and get it. You're gonna love it. Thank you for watching Parks and Pizza. I'll see you guys in the next video.